Good morning, everybody. We are here. I know we're 2 minutes late. It's all right, though. Nonetheless, we got Lineman Dave first in the chat today. We got Dark Bro, Nick F, Kenneth, Rozzy, Dark Bro, Lyman, Grizzle, Pudgy, Dark Bro, Lyman, Stig, Tyler, Dark Bro, and Joshua. What's going on, everybody? Move this over here so the microphone is actually closer and we're good to go. My God, look how long my hair is again. What? Ridiculous. Let's check and see what we got going on in the market right now. We've got AMC in the top left sitting down 2.23% at the moment, $6.34. Shiba Inu coin in the purple down below 1,000 points per coin, really sitting steady at 994 points, down 2% on the day. GameStop sitting at 24.51, down 3.14% right now. QQQ up 0.5% at the moment, bouncing up into this intraday level of resistance right here. So let's take a look at this. Intraday resistance held up in this area right here earlier. Boom, boom, boom. Touched it and fell lower. We are touching. Boom, boom. Does it break out this time or does it fall back down and channel between 276 and 271? That's actually a very big move. It doesn't look like it, but that is a very big move on the QQQ right here. So we'll see how this plays out. Roughly about, my gosh, what is that? About 2% there. So we're going to watch and see what happens. Might be a decent time if it does bounce back down to get into some puts right back down to 271 if that's the direction it moves. Obviously, if it breaks out of this resistance, you can see a nice bounce up and a nice run even further. The NASDAQ is up at the moment, as we just basically seen on the QQQ there, up 0.23%. GameStop down 3%. Bior Therapeutics down 3.5%. AMC down 2.5%. Ethereum, Shiba, and Bitcoin all in the red at the moment. Sundial sitting down 3.5%. Mullen Auto up. Wow. Mullen Auto back above 51 cents. Bronson, I don't know if you get rid of those puts or rid of those calls the other day, but if you rode this bad boy all the way up to 50 cents, looking very good right now. My gosh, dude. 51.5 cents on Mullen Auto. CEI is sitting at 15.93 cents right now. The SPY is up 1% on the day, continuing to move higher. BBIG sitting down 4% at 91.5 cents. Highcroft Mining is down 3.5% right now. Netflix, 283.51, down slightly, but 280 is well above the 180s that we were seeing a few weeks ago on Netflix. QQQ, 53% or 0.53% higher. Ape is down 4% on the day at $2.54. And Terra Luna Classic sitting right here at this major level of support at 22,243 points per coin. We'll watch that one play out for a little while. What do we got going on? Patrick! Thank you very much. Patrick says, oh, you want some coffee? Yeah, don't mind if I do, man. Thank you very much, Patrick. Thank you. Oh, cough. Very much, Patrick. Thank you very much for the drink, Patrick. Really appreciate that, man. Mullen Automotive up 128.77%. Glad I made that trade. Joshua, nice, dude. Joshua killing that trade on Mullen there. QQQ moving up nicely. Yes, QQQ is moving up very nicely right now. Sitting up 0.54%. About to break out of this intraday level of resistance. You could see a nice spike higher if it does break out of this level, and a nice continuation there. Sitting up 0.5% on the day. Any daily resistance. So we are... I just put this line on here, okay? We may have a nice run all the way back up to 280 before it really runs into any resistance if we break that level. You have a little bit of trouble in this area, 279-ish at the bottom end of these wicks, right here. But nonetheless, we could be seeing a run back up to 280. And we got about, what, $4, $3.25 before we get to that 280 mark. Before we see another level of resistance there. So definitely something to consider if you guys are in the QQQ overall market. Looking pretty decent this morning, maintaining those gains. Nice to everyone in Mullen. Heck yeah, man. Mullen is doing very well today. I want to know if Keith, you still in Mullen Auto, man? I know Mullen was one of your stocks there. Mullen to the moon. Got in at 20. Dang. Joshua, 22 cents, pretty good. Touching 21 cent bottom. You getting in at 22 cents. Very nice. Vecna, still here, baby. What's up? With the 13-month member chat. Vecna, what is going on, dude? Thank you very much for the 13-month member chat. Absolutely loving that, dude. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And heck yeah, man. He is still here, baby. Oh, yes. Bro, I feel it. Something's coming. I don't know whether it's a positive jump or just a major dump, but I'm leaning more towards the dump. You know what, Dark Bro? I'm telling you right now, something is coming. We've been sitting steady, and it's kind of like, things are quiet. Too quiet. And I do believe that, man. Things have been a little bit too quiet here lately, especially in the crypto space. And the stocks have been moving around a little bit, but you see, we continue to test these lows here, and they have been holding up. They actually held up back here as well. So this is a double test right now, and bouncing off the support lines in the overall stock market, which is good to see us bouncing, but nonetheless, if we move this line over slightly on the daily, we could see that we may still be hitting these lower highs right here, and we could absolutely start to come back down here pretty soon. So still, you got to be on the edge of your seat with the overall stock market performing the way that it is, and the same deal with Bitcoin too, right? Bitcoin, the cryptocurrency market, leaning towards support instead of testing resistance. So when you continue to get smashed down into these support lines right here, it's never a good sign, and we do need to see a test of resistance to show some strength. But nonetheless, this is what we got going on right now, and the last thing we want to see is a breakdown through 18,000, man, because we could be getting much better prices if you're buying, much worse prices if you're trying to sell. So definitely something to consider, but yeah, I would say that we do have something coming up. Major level of support getting smashed down into that 22,000 mark right here on Terra Luna Classic as well. Gosh, dude, I wish it was the opposite. I wish people were rallying and people were excited right now, but it has just been a lot of consolidation and a lot of smashing over the last couple of months now, since the beginning of September, man. We're almost 3 months in on this. 2 months. We're almost 2 full months in. Uphold gives you 4% XRP cash back when you purchase with their card. Interesting, Caesar. Not a bad way at all to accumulate some XRP there. And 4% is actually some very good rewards. So that's actually not bad at all for cash back rewards. Good morning, everybody. King Mamba, what's going on? Congratulations. Heck yeah, Stick Beater. Thank you, Dark Bro. Boom, baby. Raju, hello. Honestly, fun if we dump. Daddy needs to load up. There you go, Dark Bro. Pudgy says, King Mamba says, Pudgy, what's going on? He puts a cool face for the camera, but he hides behind wrench happy mods. Wayne Grow. Me? What are you talking about, man? Best way to think, Dark Bro. Heck yeah, dude. You got to look at the positives, and buying on the dips is definitely a positive if you're looking to own more. Mamba, what up, bro? What's going on? J-Bones. Kushagra, yo, how you doing? The music study. Clay, what's going on? The music study. How you doing right now, man? Hopefully you're having a good day today. It's too much fighting in the little community going on right now to do anything. Yeah, Tubes, I'm telling you, man, there's a lot of indecision going on out there, right? And we know that when you've got any sort of a, what's the best way to put it? Like a sliding scale type of a decision. So when you're looking at previous decisions that the LUNC community had to make, with burning or no burning, very black and white, right? Very easy to decide which direction to go. But when you've got any sort of a sliding scale on well, this could work, this combination of things could work, dude, it's almost like you're not even allowed to disagree. You're not allowed to disagree with anybody these days, or they just begin to think that you're some FUD force that's trying to stop everything. Let me tell you right now, you're allowed to disagree, man. You're allowed to think things are good ideas and bad ideas. Clay Bra, music study, what's going on, man? So many noobs, I tell you. I just keep asking these people if they have a business and the electricity is going to be shut off. Should they pay it or pay themselves first? And they can only afford one. They'll pay themselves first, man. They'll shut the business down, and they'll milk the last dollar out before they run it out of business. That's what it seems like. Just putting time out 10 times last Friday. Waiting for what, dude? Oh, my God. For what? I didn't see you. I didn't see you get put in timeout at all. But I don't know what it was for. Don't even know what's going on. Super chat won't work. Only heard someone saying people aren't working together. You've never heard me say that in every chat I'm in. Well, Chris, yes, dude, that is the culmination of things. That is the culmination of disagreement at work right here. I don't know why Super Chat doesn't work, man. YouTube is really, really, really messed up, man. YouTube, you think they got it together, but they don't have it together, man. I've got 2 open cases with YouTube right now, and let me tell you, they have no idea what they're doing. You would think they do, but they have no idea what they're doing, man. Let's see. No Toast. You. Out of my XRP. No Toast. I don't know what platforms you have, right? So, actually, no Toast. I don't even know where you're from. If you're an international user, you can use the international Binance link. It's in the description of all the videos. If you're in the United States and you want to, you can use that KuCoin. I know those both for sure have XRP available. Kraken may have XRP available, but I don't use Kraken, so I don't know. But I actually have. I've started to purchase some XRP as well, and I've got it on KuCoin. So if you want to grab some XRP on KuCoin, you can, and you can use the link in the description. If you are an international user, which I'm pretty sure you could still use KuCoin, but if you want to use international Binance, you can get it there. But look at Tectonic right now. It's some steady price action. I'm glad I scooped some up. Heck yeah, man. Let's look at it right there. Tonic. All right, up 4% right now, man. Back up to 1,300 points. What is it, 6 zeros? Yeah, 6 zeros and a 13, up 4%, almost 5% on the day. Not too bad. If we look at the 1 month action, it's been doing pretty well, going from 900 to 13,000 or 1,300. 900 to 1,300 right here. What, you get like a 25% gain over the last couple of weeks. Or the last week, I should probably say. If you look at this longer term graph, okay, it is still very low from where it was with just a slight tick up. It's got a long way to go to get back up to these previous valuations and so on. But nonetheless, going from about a $9 million valuation to a $12 million valuation is not a bad move at all on Tectonic. So if you guys are wanting to load up, just be cautious. You know, it's only a $11 million valuation right now. It was 9 last week. Only $11 million valuation, so it is very low and could be very difficult to survive the bear market. But nonetheless, man, we know where there is risk, there is typically reward as well. So Tectonic doing very well over the last couple of weeks. Let's see. I feel like I should be selling my Shib for LUNC. Hey, music study. Look, dude. I never sold any of my Shiba for LUNC, right? I added Terra Luna Classic to my position as well as the Shiba Inu coin that I have. I don't think that Shiba Inu coin is necessarily done as a project, okay? There's a lot less hype surrounding it right now. There's a lot less hype surrounding cryptocurrency right now. It doesn't matter which one you're talking about. There's a lot less hype surrounding any crypto because the prices are so stagnant and because the prices are so slow. So you really do have to consider the entirety of the market when making that decision. And if that was a decision you were looking at maybe at the beginning of September, could have been a great decision. Shiba Inu coin moving sideways. Terra Luna Classic shooting up. What we've got going on right now is Terra Luna Classic slightly falling down, and Shiba Inu coin almost just sitting sideways. It's been at 1,000 points per coin for quite some time now. It does have a slight digression on the chart. It is pulling back just slightly. So definitely something to think about, but I just think that there's a little bit more excitement surrounding Terra Luna Classic right now than there is Shiba Inu coin. I don't know if it necessarily makes it a better long-term investment. You can't use KuCoin in the U.S. Well, Kalani, I do live in the U.S. and I do have XRP on KuCoin, so I'm pretty sure they're letting me use it. Tectonic, no toast. Tectonic likes no toast, or no toast likes Tectonic. I've been adding to my bag. There you go, no toast. I buy with my Apple Card, 3% cash back. Pay that off with Uphold for 4%. So Nice. Caesar. There you go, man. 7% cash back is killing it. Hey, you see Sam's YouTube link in the community channel? I did not. Let's see. Where's my Discord? Where? No. All right, let's see how far up this is. Oh, he just posted it like 5 times. All right, yeah, let's actually see right now if Sam Demand number 2 is blocked. We'll go full Weeble for a second here, and then we will come back down. So I got to do it on mobile because apparently it doesn't work on when I do it on there. Community chat, yes. What if we... Okay, yeah, take me there. Yeah. Yeah, he was blocked. Oops. I screenshotted that. Didn't need to. Alright. Sam Demand number 4 is unblocked right now. I don't know if it's Sam Demand any other number, but Sam Demand number 4 is unblocked. What? What is going on? Alright, that's weird. I had to go back and refresh. So, yeah, Sam's been unblocked now. God. Give me 2 seconds. I'm gonna respond to this case with Sam's link as well. Delete that. Hold on, guys. Just give me 2 seconds. I gotta copy this link. All right, we're back. All right, good deal. Sam is officially unblocked right now. I have no idea why Sam was blocked. Rozzy, thank you very much for the super chat. Clebro, watch the interview with Kevin O'Leary about the crypto market. It's interesting what he said about the next bull run. All right, Rozzy, I will definitely do that. I actually like Kevin O'Leary, man. I think that guy's a really smart dude. So we're going to figure out what Kevin O'Leary has to say about the crypto market bull run. Clay Block and Sam, I'm telling you. JB, don't even mess around like that. Sam will definitely think you're serious, and then I will be condemned forever. And I do not want that type of responsibility on me. How many Sam? We do need to know how many Sam Demands there are. But Sam Demand, apparently number 4, has been unblocked from the YouTube channel there. Boom, baby. Dark Protect still holding up. I wish there was a way I could go in and unblock everybody, though, but I can't do it. Clay, bro, I don't know why my Italian name makes you happy, but you're one of my favorite crypto YouTubers, Sebastiano Giustanini. Because, dude, your name is amazing. Your name is amazing. It just rolls right off the tongue, and it tastes better than pizza, dude. Any predictions for LUNC? Frank, yes, man. Terra Luna Classic, if the rebuild is successful, is going to be phenomenal. But what I see right now is a little bit of division, a little bit of arguing, and a little bit of problems going on with the community. A lot of people, man, a lot of people have this idea that the only reason you do work is because you are getting paid. And those people obviously don't know what it takes to build a business, okay? Paychecks are important, yes, but paychecks are important for workers. Paychecks are not important for creators and owners. You have to look at the equity you are building, and you have to look at the importance of feeding and funding that business, okay, and growing that business. When you're in finance and you make money as a business, which Terra Luna Classic is doing right now, it's got a lot of transactions. There's only one of two ways, or one of two things you can do with that money. You can pay it out in the form of a dividend, or you can use it as retained earnings. A lot of people only want that dividend right now. They only want that money. So it's creating a lot of friction. So short term, I think we got some more struggles to overcome. Long term, I think it's going to be phenomenal, man. I think Binance will stop the LUNC burns. HD Rider, there is a good chance that Binance does, yes, stop the burns. He had me blocked. No, Wayne bro, Wayne bro, I didn't have you blocked, because if I had you blocked, I would have had to have manually unblocked you like I just did there, and I did not have you blocked. Happy Diwali. Is it really Diwali right now? Clay, is Tectonic dead? So the music study, I have not looked into Tectonic enough to know whether or not it's dead. I don't know what they do, and I don't know anybody that's working on their project and things like that. Based on the amount of attention Tectonic gets in this chat, I would say there's a lot of people who are very interested in it, and therefore it's probably not dead. It's got a very difficult bear market to survive, though. So if it's going to be surviving this bear market, it needs to make sure that people don't give up on it. And then it can thrive in the next bull market. But you're not really going to see anything prosper gloriously during this bear market, man. I didn't get a notification for this stream. John! I don't know what to tell you. YouTube's really messed up, dude. Good evening, Clay and everyone. Sarah Destekroy. It is so nice to see you in this channel right now, Sarah Destekroy. Beautiful name. So Mullen is set to drop their new car end of the first quarter 2023. They are taking reserves now of $100 now, plus their Bollinger Electric trucks. Bought 5,000 shares for that $100 soon share price. Kenneth, if they jump up to $100 a share, man, you are going to be killing it, dude. Rozzy! Yes, man. Throwing out the green names. I thought Easy Ride had one. Easy Ride, Randman, Yogi, Jake, and one more. Got to get a green. One more. SD! SD grabbing that green name. Yes, man. We got Easy Ride, Randman, Yogi G, Jake L, and SD, all with green names. Loving it, man. Loving it. Rozzy, everybody, if you heard your name right now, Easy Ride, Randman, Yogi, Jake, and SD, please say thank you to Rozzy for throwing those green names out there. Loving it. And everybody else, please thank you, Rozzy, for throwing those green names out, man. Absolutely generous. Everybody in this chat. Yes, really, Sarah Destekroy. Not you. Not you, Sarah Destekroy. Everybody in this chat, say thank you to Rozzy right now. Rozzy, man, really appreciate that. And if you guys heard your name, SD, Jake L, Yogi, Randman, and Easy Ride, make sure to thank Rozzy for the green names. Thanks, Rozzy, and welcome to the new bros. John Pringle, man, loving it. Sarah, you were yet so far away from grabbing that green name. Sarah, I won't stop until Sarah's gonna get one of these days. There will be one. Oh my gosh. Could you imagine, like, we don't stop, and we're like 3 years down the road, and there's like 200,000 members on this channel, and Sarah still doesn't have a green name, And YouTube is like, all right, shut this kid down. Obviously, something's wrong. Something's wrong with these people. Thanks, Rozzy. Heck yeah. Nice one, Rozzy. Raju, thank you. Welcome, new green names. Heck yeah. Lorenzo says, welcome all. Nice, Rozzy. Thank you guys very much for showing the appreciation, the gratitude towards Rozzy there. Rozzy, my man. Thank you, Kiki Sean. Heck yeah. Sounds about right. It does sound about right. Sarah Croy will be the last gray name standing. That's why they call her 50 Shades, ladies and gentlemen, because she is only a gray name. You know what I want to do since Rozzy did that? You know what I want to do? I want to say, guys, first green name to claim their sticker pack right now gets a sticker pack. You got to claim it. You got to say you want it. Me, I want it. Say it right now. You got to claim that sticker pack. Get it right now. Please, somebody tell me that you want that sticker pack. You guys got to you got to claim it. Nick F is technically a green name. Rozzy, yes. Easy Right to Sweet. Lorenzo. Here's the question. Okay. So here's what we're gonna do with that. Nick F, do I need to send it to you, or do I need to hand it to you? Which one would you prefer? If I send it to you or hand it to you? Now Lorenzo, I believe, was next up on that. So yes, Nick F, you did win it. I can either send it to you. I got an envelope right here. I can either send that to you or hand it to you. All right, I will hand him that one. Lorenzo, man. Lorenzo, are you in the Discord? I'm going to give it to Lorenzo as well. Nick F, you want... All right, I got one. I'm going to set one aside for Nick F right here. I'm going to set one aside for Nick F. Lorenzo, you in the Discord? All right. Nick F got a sticker pack right there. Nick F's got a sticker pack right there, setting aside for him. Lorenzo, but that means you have to leave the house. No, that means you got to come over. That means you got to leave the house, Nick F. Yours is set aside. And no, can you show me a link? I'll go to the Discord. Yeah, Lorenzo, I got you, man. I will paste a link in the chat right in 2 seconds. All right, got the link there. We got to go over here. Oh, God, guys, click the like button. 25 likes. You guys got to make me cry. All right. Pinned message. If you guys do want to join the Discord right there. Lorenzo, I'm going to put your name on this envelope, dude. I'm going to put your name on this envelope right here. Let me know in the Discord. Send me a direct message in the Discord with your name. We're going to have a sticker pack for you as well, Lorenzo. I got you, man. I got you. Sticker pack right here for Lorenzo. Lorenzo is getting a black bro, white bro, and a clay bro right there. Lorenzo, that's you, man. Sticker pack in the envelope. You got to tell me where to send that bad boy. And it is going right here until I see your address in the Discord. Thank you very much for participating, and congratulations. You won the sticker pack. Yes. You and Nick F should meet at the post office and explain to them how they're getting a cut. Yes, Nick F, man. Let's meet at the post office, and then we can hand over the sticker pack there. I like it out, though, bro. Now, that's a good idea. Nick F, that Discord link might be old. That one right there. That Discord link might be old. Where's a safe place to buy a Ledger Nano X? I want one that hasn't been tampered with. Well, so if you're not going to buy like a sealed one, which I would only buy a sealed one, so you could still buy it on Amazon or eBay if you wanted. Let's see what their actual, it just should be Ledger. All right. Yeah, so if you don't want to buy one off Amazon, shop.ledger.com is probably where you should go. Right here. Yeah, so if you don't want to buy one off Amazon, sealed, I mean, buy one sealed off Amazon or eBay, then you go to shop shop.ledger.com, and you can buy one there. Update your description. I know, man. I do need to update the description. The dumb thing is, though, for some reason, that Discord link expires every week, and I don't know why it expires on a weekly basis. I don't think that it should do that. Click! Mullen Auto Taps. Former GM executive John Schwegman is Chief Commercial Officer for the next phase of electric vehicle growth. Kenneth. Nice, dude. Kenneth, I like the fact that you're so up to date on Mullen Auto, man, because there's a lot of people in here that are interested in Mullen, and obviously you've got some better news than I do because I don't keep as up to date on it as you. So I really do appreciate that fact, man. It's an amazing day. Let's get started. Brian, you already know what it is, man. I've got my paid for membership. Oh, man, easy ride. Get Rozzy a sticker, bro. Easy ride. Thank you for the 2-month member chat. Yes, I did forget that. I did not. I just scrolled right by it. And Rozzy did get a sticker pack, man. And Rozzy defended my handwriting. He said my handwriting wasn't that bad. So thank you. I was going to say me, but I already won a sticker pack. Nice, Joshua. Nice. Let's see. A good thing mine are in the mail. Dark Bro. Well, yours are not in the mail yet because I'm sending them with your shirt. So I got to. I'm not gonna send the much I could, but I'm gonna send them with the shirt when I send that to you. You and Nick F saw that already, going all the way back down now. Yes, here we are. Yo, stickers, Rob. Yes, man. Is it safe to buy a Ledger? So, Kai, don't buy a used one. Okay, don't buy a used one. If you buy a new one, I mean, dude, they'd have to be pretty good scammers in order to, like, sell a shrink wrapped Ledger the same way that you would get it shrink wrapped from the store. So if you are like that skeptical, no, don't buy it off Amazon. But if you buy a new sealed one, I'd say you're good to go. I would not buy an old one though. I would not buy it. They'll be like, hey man, you want to use my cryptocurrency wallet? You could just send all of your cryptocurrency to my wallet, and I'll keep it safe for you. That would be bad news. I wouldn't do that. But yeah, dude, unless you're like extremely skeptical that they are really trying to rip you off, it should be fine if you buy a sealed one. But I guess they can, shrink wrap it on their own. I got charged on my card, something. Click! Send you a message to the Discord. Perfect. Lorenzo, let me double check to make sure that you did send me a message in the Discord right now. Lorenzo, what's your name in the Discord? I may have to actually search you out. Let's see. Let's go to community chat. Community. Rule Villain, is that you, Lorenzo? Let's see. All right, cool. Okay. All right, Lorenzo, I will address this one, but I'm going to need to get an international stamp, okay? I'm going to need to get an international stamp, so I'm going to do that the next time I go to the post office because I got Francis's here that needs to get an international stamp as well. So just to let you know, it's not going to go in the post office right after the live stream. I do need to get an international stamp for it. Rozzy gets another stack of stickers. Does Rozzy get another stack of stickers? I was hoping to win for Sarah. She's winning something from this channel. Oh, by God. Yes, she is. Everybody, make sure you can win for Sarah as well. And that will be just a day of international stamps then, because I could do it for Sarah, Lorenzo, and Francis here. You're telling me a community of thousands of people can't be in agreement with one another, and the moonshot relied upon all these people getting along? Sounds familiar. Good luck, lunatics. No, look. Actually, I really don't think that it depends on everybody getting along, right? Because they can see lower prices. So the developers can take this in any direction they want to take it, man. And they seemingly are taking it in any direction they want to take it. They don't necessarily need my approval or anybody else's approval to bleed the funds dry. If they want to bleed the funds dry, they can absolutely do that. I think that they're going in a silly direction, personally, But nah, dude, they don't need me to stay in Terra Luna Classic. They don't need you to stay in Terra Luna Classic. If they actually think that they've got a good idea and know what they're doing, then they can build it with or without anybody. And then once the utility is restored, then people can be in agreement that it's a good idea, and so on. So you either wait the storm out, or I mean, dude, they either bleed it dry or they build it up. So one of two things that's gonna happen there. Can I build a Shiba Inu coin for a membership? Brian! So I would like to say yes, but that's unfortunately on YouTube. Yes, Rule Villain is my alias. Nice, Lorenzo. Alright, man, perfect. I got you on there now, so I got your message. I will address that envelope, and then I will, whenever I get a chance to go to the post office and get that international stamp, man, I will be able to send that out to you. Thanks, Clit. Makes sense. Kai, perfect, dude. No problemo. Perfect. What's everybody at today? Pudgy, sleeping, man. Sleeping. Whenever cryptocurrency is not moving up in value, people stay asleep. We've got Shiba Inu coin sitting in the top right, sitting sideways, man. Sitting sideways. This is basically the action on Shiba. 1,007 down to 985, back up to 996. Terra Luna Classic sitting right here at 22,000 points per coin. 22,003, 21,9. Really consolidated action right along this major support line. And we can see on the hourly graph, you know, we tested it, bounced off a little, tested it, bounced off a little, tested it, bounced off a little, testing it again. Do we bounce off of it and go back up to 23,000? I don't know. But when you're looking at the fact that 22,000 to 23,000 is the like majority of the bounces that we've been seeing over the last several days here, that leads to the unrest and the idea that people are less excited and less interested, and really it should be like a consolidated move like that. But nonetheless, Terra Luna Classic testing this major level of longer term support right here at boom 22,000 points per coin. We're gonna have to see if we bounce back off and go back up to 30,000, or if it does end up falling down through. But nonetheless, this I guess downtrend that we've been seeing for the last month and a half has not the whole last about the last month, man. This downtrend right here that we've been seeing has been hitting people's excitement and hitting people's confidence pretty hard lately. And then even Bitcoin, man. Bitcoin has been slow. Bitcoin's been sitting here at $19,000 to $20,000 for the last, long time. Month and a half since it's been in that very tight range. And gosh, since June, it's been testing these 20,000 numbers. So everything has been slow. The market, the overall market has been down, even though it's having a decent morning right now. Everything has been non-conducive to growth and excitement there. And Shiba Inu coin, like this price action on Shiba Inu coin is not, that's not Shiba Inu coin, man. This is just some crypto that nobody's looking at right now with those just dotted lines. Lorenzo, how come in such a tight range? Couple reasons would be my guess. Very low volume, okay? A lot of the FOMO traders have exited the opportunity, and they're just either sitting on the sidelines right now or sitting in their position. And there's not a lot of huge advancements going on. We're kind of just sitting here waiting for catalyst after catalyst to come, and we're not getting major catalysts right now. So that would be my best guess. Stable fund a rug today, but it had stable in its name. Is stable fund on CoinMarketCap? I don't know if stable fund was on CoinMarketCap, but yeah, dude, usually if you get stable in the name, it means it's a stable coin. DeFi Project DARPro, hundreds of millions of dollars disappeared. My gosh, dude. Is it on CoinGecko? Where can I see that? Hey, bro, please talk more about XRP. Love the XRP vid you did earlier. Vino! Yeah, I will, man. I will. I'm going to talk a little bit more about XRP. I did end up buying some XRP Friday or Saturday, man. I don't know. It was Friday or Saturday when I bought it. And They actually seem to have some pretty good momentum going in their case right now. So I'm going to try and do some more updates on not only pricing and price action and stuff like that, but a lot of the stuff that's going on with the lawsuit there. Because that's actually some big news, not just for XRP, but sets a lot of legal precedent for all digital assets and new cryptocurrencies as the future unfolds too. So there's a lot to go. Ad time, hit him clearly. 35 likes. Ooh, and make it a good one. An ointment cream for the burns. You are getting hit with an ad, guys. 34 likes. Come on now. Seems like somebody even disliked their like button, man. You guys are getting hit with an ad for sure. Mullen Automotive shares rise 35% after delivery vehicle availability in Europe. The iGo has a starting price of $12,000. Wow. And is retailed and serviced through local European. Dang. Kenneth, that's not a bad price at all. Is that like a golf cart or is that an actual car? Bro, I just looked it up. Wow, that's nuts. Oh, man, I missed something. What Dark Bro look up? Oh, where'd you look up stable fund? What'd you find? Stable fund wasn't a coin. You signed up and they invested your money and you get like 5% a day. Oh, gosh. So, look, I'm not going to lie. I've thought of stuff like that, right? And I've tried my best to work out the math. Because I thought, okay, let's start a millionaires club, right? Everybody that invests, let's say you have to put in X amount of dollars. And everybody, like, there's no mathematical way to make it so everybody gains, unless, of course, it's a pyramid scheme. And if it's a pyramid scheme, everybody does have their chance until there's no more people on Earth left. And that's the problem there. So you can look at these things that look too good to be true. 5% a day, sure. Millionaires Club. Once you get 1 million people to sign up, which is not ridiculous, 1 million people, 1 million different wallets, and each of these 1 million people throw in X amount of dollars, you pool the funds, and then you throw, okay, you got a winner today, a winner tomorrow, a winner the next day, and by the end of the route, everybody gets a decent amount. You can't do it. You cannot do it unless you fund that pool. And if you're not continually bringing in new money, either by investing it, similar to what Voyager and all of these other cryptocurrency platforms think that they like to do, and potentially losing some of it, or bringing new members in the form of a pyramid scheme, you cannot do it, man. You cannot do it. I've racked my brain looking for the answer, and you cannot do it unless it's unfortunately illegal. Even if it is in the form of cryptocurrency, you cannot be selling pyramid schemes. Or extreme risk required in order to see extreme reward required. You cannot provide guaranteed returns like that. And 5% a day is... If they were saying 5% a year, I'd believe it. They could go out and buy a government bond. Even if it's like a Brazilian government bond, they could still go out and buy a government bond and it provides you with 5% a year. 5% a day? That's like these 19-year-old day traders out there trying to give you 5% a day. Stable clay. GB, I thought it was, man. I thought it was. Bought XRP at 33 cents, and I'm at around 30% on. I'm up around 30% on that, and I'm still holding. Nice, John Pringle. Yes, dude. Yes. Look, and I still think that the XRP can come down more too. I really do. I think it can come down more. I wanted to get some exposure to it, just in case things do just drastically take off with the lawsuit there. But nonetheless, I do think that it can come down further before it goes up. But hey, their lawsuit's not looking too bad right now. 95% of DeFi is a game of chicken. Most people will be left holding the bag. 5% will make it out with a good ROI. So not only are you betting against yourself, The odds are not even that good. Can't find stable. Easy ride. Don't buy into stable fund. What are your thoughts about Circle? Brian Armstrong. I actually have to. I don't know about Circle, man. I got to look into Circle. How could something stable fail? USTC. Cough, cough. Exactly, Dark Bro. Just notice something. Is your hairline receding? No, Kai. Not receding, dude. I was just born with a drastic widow's peak, man. They like to say that it's receding, but I call it the Vegeta hairline. I call it the Vegeta hairline, man. So, if you don't know who Vegeta is, oh yeah, we got to get a good picture of Vegeta here. That's a pretty cool picture, I'm not gonna lie. It's on Etsy. Yeah. You guys know who Vegeta is. Vegeta, dude. He's got that iconic hairline, so that's basically what I'm working with right here. You know, if I went straight up in the Super Saiyan mode, you guys could see that it... Yeah. Got that Vegeta hairline, man. All that you can do about it. Solid, though. Thank you for wondering. Let's see. Claybro, when the next bull market happens, do you expect Shiba Inu LUNC to create new crypto millionaires? Razi. So let's say that. So yes, I do. I'm gonna say yes, I do. Okay. Let me say why. So Shiba Inu coin, Terra Luna Classic, Tectonic, Bitcoin, Ethereum, all of these coins, right? Let me be more conservative and possibly even like negative in your minds, in your mind right now, I guess. If we are sitting in this bear market for like 3 years, which is not impossible to see happen. I know everybody wants the bull market to happen tomorrow, but let's just say that we sit here with 50 people in a live stream, and it's 3 years long, that nobody wants to be a part of crypto. Nobody's making any gains other than trading and maybe hitting some 10% swings on cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and so on. If we end up in any situation similar to what we've had before, where Bitcoin came back down 90% and then shot up, what was it, man? A 20x increase, 3,000 to 60,000. If we've got any sort of gains like that, where you are 20, 30, 40, 50, 100xing your money, I do think that over the next 3 years, right, if it lasts and starts in 2025, I do think that people can accumulate these $10,000 portfolios over a 3-year basis. I don't think that that's necessarily a stretch. Okay, roughly $3,000 a year, not necessarily factoring in any gains. It will take commitment, right, to see that happen. But if that's the case, dude, and we see these